Hi, this is John with WTI, and you may ask yourself, what is the circle about? Well, so I own the Galaxy Watch S4, the Galaxy Watch 4, and I recently bought this watch, and I was always scared. I know my lifestyle. I'll be doing a lot of extreme stuff, moving around, and I'm a little bit clumsy. So this is the Spigen case, and what I like about this guard or this little case for the watch is that even though it is made out of rubber, and it's not chunky. It just fits perfectly to the watch. It's not going to look too bulky for your watch. It's not going to be too heavy that you feel like you have an armor on. No, but at the same time, it's going to protect your watch for not scratching, showing its durability, and it's gonna stay intact and looking the same as the day that you bought this watch. So if you're looking for a great guard or a great case for your watch, this one from Spigen. Spigen always works. Is going to be a good one for you. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.